Tonight, I'm in the mood for a good Italian style meatball sandwich. Yes, a meatball sandwich. I don't want no spaghetti. I don't want no pasta. I want a meatball sandwich. And I'm going to show you tonight how I make my quick, easy meatball sandwiches. Now, you can choose to make your own meatballs up. Use whatever kind of meat you like, your choice, your sandwich. Or you can buy them already frozen. And this is really a good brand right here. This brand right there, you can see it. It's really a good brand. And they're frozen. They're ready to go. You just pop them in for like 25 minutes in the oven. The new wave oven for me. And just let them go. So we'll be back in a moment and we'll get started on these meatball sandwiches. It shouldn't take us that long. Remember, prep is key. And also, before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And please hit that subscription button so that they will know what your girl eating with Food for Thought, aka Renee, the personal chef, is over here doing. And we're going to get right on these meatball sandwiches. But I didn't tell you all my ingredients. Okay, I have fresh basil right here, 2 types. I have regular basil and Thai basil. I have sweet mini peppers, granulated garlic, fresh garlic. I have McCormick's thick and zesty spaghetti sauce mix. I have some marinara sauce, olives, my meatballs, and make sure you have a good hoagie roll. Having a good hoagie roll is always key. So, let's go make these meatballs.
I got the ice cream and ice cream cone.
Okay, I'm turning on the fire. We're getting ready to get started. First thing we're going to do is pour the marinara sauce in.
Come here.
Let's open up this McCormick's thick and zesty spaghetti sauce. Let's give it a stir. I'm going to add the granulated garlic. I'm going to chop up a couple of garlic cloves. 2 garlic cloves. Let's add some fresh basil. And then we're going to add the meatballs. Frozen meatballs ready to go are always good, especially if you don't feel like being in the kitchen for any long period of time. Go with frozen meatballs and cut back on some of that work. Now, I'm not going to add any salt to this because the salt, it's salty enough with the McCormick's and the marinara sauce. It's salty enough. These meatballs are ready. I cooked these in the new wave oven. And I'm going to add just a little bit of water to this. Just a little bit. Right in this marinara jar. Now I'm going to let this cook for approximately 10 minutes. 10 minutes, just enough to heat this sauce up really good. And this is ready. because the meatballs are already done. And then we're going to put it together. And I'm going to show you my meatball sandwich. Back in 10. Let's take a look. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh yeah. This is just what I wanted. This is the texture that I was looking for. Let's get a look in this pot. Okay, let's get ready to get these hoagies made up. Meatball hoagies. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put cheese. I think you should always put cheese at the bottom. So that once the heat from the meatballs hit it, it'll start to melt on you. And all you really need is either 3 or 4 meatballs on here. So we're going to go with 4. More cheese on the top. A few sweet peppers. Sliced olives. Now let's add a few green onions. Right out of my garden. If you want tomatoes on here, add you some tomatoes. Add you whatever you like. But I think I'm going to have it just so. Dinner is served. You have your Italian sub meatball sandwich, and you also have Parmesan, rosemary, garlic fries. And these were baked in the oven. I used the regular gas oven, but you also can use your New Wave oven, and fries are really good with the New Wave oven. And I also have a video on that. So watch my video on the fries, the garlic rosemary fries, and hopefully you watch this video on the meatball sub sandwich. Okay? Thank you everybody for watching. That's my time. And remember, hit that subscription button and that notification bell. Comment, like, share with others. Let everybody know what your girl Eating with Food for Thought Roberts is doing over here. And I will see you on the next video. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you guys give this a try. Just moving it over a little bit from a thumbnail. But anyway, bye everybody. See you on the next video.